Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet using a debit card. First, make sure you have the Trust Wallet application installed on your smartphone and have completed the initial setup, including securing your recovery phrase. Next, ensure any necessary identity verification steps are finished, as this is often a requirement for purchasing crypto directly. Finally, have your debit card details readily available to ensure a smooth and quick transaction process. This guide will walk you through each step. Once your Trust Wallet is open, locate and tap the Buy button, usually found prominently on the main interface. This action will take you to a screen where you can select from a wide range of cryptocurrencies. Carefully choose the coin you intend to purchase. After selecting your desired crypto, you will need to input the amount you wish to buy, either by specifying the number of coins or the equivalent value in your local currency. Remember, there's often a minimum purchase amount, typically around $50. Trust Wallet integrates with various third-party payment providers to facilitate your cryptocurrency purchase. After entering your desired amount, you'll see a list of these providers, each displaying their current rates and associated fees. It's a good idea to compare these options carefully to find the most favorable exchange rate and the lowest transaction fees. Once you've made your selection, proceed to the next step, where you will finalize the payment details with your chosen provider. This ensures you get the best value for your money. To complete your purchase, you will be redirected to the selected third-party provider's secure payment portal. Here, you'll need to accurately enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Before confirming, meticulously review all the transaction details, including the total cost, any fees, and the exact amount of cryptocurrency you will receive. Once you are satisfied, confirm the purchase. Your newly acquired cryptocurrency will typically appear in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.